Hey guys. Alright, after getting familiar with this and getting set up a little bit better, getting familiar with this, first thing is to get the control box on. I don't think the holes are big enough. Maybe I should have took a little bit more time. Anyway, it's supposed to go in there like that. Just a little bit debris left over here. Let's do all four. So I guess just screw them in from the back side, since the front part has a little bit of debris in front. Hope my screwdriver don't die. I did not charge it. That's okay, we'll go to manual if it dies. Been waiting to unbox this for you guys. I figured today's just as good as any day. Yeah, be very careful with those. They're like right on the edges. This piece is like the only plastic piece I'm seeing. So. Wish I could play some music. I could just do the video for fun, but I still got questions to ask. I'm gonna tighten them all the way up just yet. Alrighty, there's that. That side. Tip 2, install lift arms. Right side that I just put the box on. We need this one. Nope, that's the rear one. We need the one that does not have the extra telescoping. Push this out. One. And everybody's favorite, as RC Spark says, Jesus clips, please don't fly. Boy, a little bit of effort. This thing is fucking cool, man. Sweet. So this is the first piece in my RC garage that I'm going to be starting and collecting lots of goodies for. I got a ways to go, like toolboxes, workbenches, a whole crap load of accessories I want to get. That one. And now we do the left side. Take note, make sure you're watching the pictures real quickly. You don't want to mess up here. I'm not even sure what that is yet, but we'll find out later. Alright, so we need this one. If I run out of time, guys, I apologize. I might just stop it here in about 5 minutes. A little bit of grease on them. Success with the Jesus clips. Alright. Alright, now we want to install them on the base. And it's backwards. So. Which is going to be 8 M3 8mm. Pretty sure it's these. Already looking pretty good, man. Let's look at that. Let's see. Oh, I think I need to make sure before I tighten them down that I got these on the correct side of the bottom. I don't think I do. Well, fellas, it's been fun, but I think I'm going to finish this off camera, switch these around, get it done, and we'll get the battery charged. I did not see a charger in this box for this battery, so I think I do have something that might fit that to charge it with. I'm pretty sure I do. There's some of these other small type batteries I have. But anyways, hope you enjoy the video. We are going to finish this up off camera and maybe do another quick view of it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tell me what you think.